Wacker Neuson Technical Academy presents Servicing Your WL36. Always adhere to the warnings and cautions listed in the operator's manual. The fuel fill point is on the front right-hand side of the machine. Only use low sulfur or ultra-low sulfur diesel. After filling, turn the cap until it clicks to ensure a tight seal. To lift the cab, remove the two 24mm bolts that secure the cab to the frame, one located on the exterior and one located on the interior. To release the engine hood, pull the release lever located inside the machine. Tilt the hood back for access to the engine and to the jack. Make sure both doors are closed before jacking up the cab. Use the release lever found inside to close the door. Locate the jack bar mounted to the air filter frame. Make sure that the jack is selected in the up position. Jack the cabin up until the locking mechanism has fallen into place. To access the battery, remove the two 10mm bolts that hold down the access cover. Once removed, pull away the access cover. Save the cover and the bolts for reinstallation later. The rear differential is accessed from the back of the machine. A 1/2-inch ratchet can be used to remove the fill and drain plug. Always follow safety warnings in the manual. When changing the front or rear differential oil, use a 90-weight gear oil. To check the air filter, remove the 3 clasps that secure the filter cover to the filter body. The filter should be checked on a daily basis and replaced when necessary. After the first 50 hours of operation, you must change the engine oil and the engine oil filter. Each subsequent oil change should be done in 500-hour increments. Only use 10W40 oil when the ambient temperature is -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Outside of this temperature range, please consult the engine manufacturer. Checking the oil should be done daily and replenished when necessary. The hydraulic fluid level should be checked daily and replenished with ISO VG46 hydraulic oil. The hydraulic high-pressure filter should be replaced initially at 500 hours and as needed after that. The return hydraulic filter should be replaced initially at 500 hours and every 1,000 hours after that. Check the engine coolant level daily and replace every 2 years. Only use a heavy-duty ethylene glycol that meets the ASTM D4985 specification. Change the fuel filter and fuel pre-filter initially at 500 hours. Each subsequent change should be done at 1,000-hour intervals. Use a multi-purpose water-resistant grease to lubricate the U-joints every 250 hours. Check the air pressure daily. Consult the operator's manual for the correct value. When replacing the oil in the planetary gear, use a 1/2-inch ratchet to remove the plug. Fill the planetary gear with 90-weight gear oil. For more service videos and tips from the pros, click the link below or visit www.wackerneusonTech.com.